गुड मॉर्निंग। बहुत मौत आ रही है आज उठने में भाई। 12 बज रहे हैं। आई हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट। मैं हेयर कट कराने जा रही हूँ। बॉम्बे में सब कुछ कितना महंगा है भाई। मतलब हेयर कट कराने के प्राइसेस मैंने पूछा, अच्छे जो रिव्यूज़ हैं जिनके, उनके प्राइसेस कितने हैं? 4,000, 5,000, 6,000। मतलब क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? हैट्स ऑफ टू ऑल द जमशेदपुर हेयर ड्रेसर्स जिनके काम बहुत अच्छे हैं और प्राइसेस तो भाई पूछो ही मत, इतने कम है इन कंपैरिजन टू व्हाट दे आर चार्जिंग इन बॉम्बे। मैंने आज तक कभी कोई हेयर कट लिया नहीं है यहाँ से, तो मैंने सर्च किया और जिनके अच्छे रिव्यूज़ हैं उनके इतने इतने पैसे भाई। आई होप दे डू अ गुड जॉब। आई जस्ट होप एंड प्रे। 2 दिन बाद मेरे को निकलना है और ये लोग फ़कत ना कर दे कुछ। बस थोड़ा हेयर कट लेने का मन है, जस्ट टू चेंज अ लिटिल। इतनी मौत आ रही है। 12:10 हो गए ऑलरेडी। 1 बजे मेरे को यहाँ से निकलना पड़ेगा, तब मैं वहाँ पे 1:30 पहुँचूँगी। 1:30 इज़ माई अपॉइंटमेंट, बट उठा नहीं जा रहा। पर देखना आधे घंटे में मैं ऐसे इतनी चेंज हो जाऊँगी ना। अभी ये शक्ल देख रहे हो, ये सब पता ही नहीं चलेगा। आई हैव टू क्लीन द रूम एज वेल बिफोर आई लीव। अब उठना पड़ेगा क्योंकि नहाना है, रेडी होना है, देन लंच करना है और फिर निकलना है। सो इट विल टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम। आई वॉज़ वेरी एक्साइटेड टू मेक दिस वन व्लॉग। मैंने सोचा था मैं मस्त एकदम बढ़िया से शूट करूँगी, बढ़िया एकदम रेडी वेडी होके, पर मौत आ रही है। मैं नहा के आती हूँ पहले, तो फिर मिलते हैं। बाय। नहा तो लिया है मैंने, जस्ट क्विकली डूइंग माई मेकअप। बहुत कम रखने वाली हूँ मैं, थोड़ा टिंट। जब भी मेरे को होता है ना कि ऐसे कम कम लगाना है, सो मेक श्योर दैट माई आईज आर लुकिंग नाइस इनफ। मैं ऐसे फुल फेस ऑफ मेकअप नहीं करना चाहती हूँ आपके साथ, बिकॉज बोर होता है यार मेरे को। मतलब आई एम डन शोइंग माई फुल फेस मेकअप टू यू। अगर आपको चाहिए कि मैं दिखाऊँ तो आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताना, फिर मैं एक एक स्टेप नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको बता दूँगी अबाउट माई एवरीडे मेकअप। बट अभी तो मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं है। जनरली मेरे को बोर होता है, इतनी बार बता दिया है कि अब लगता है कि मैं देखते हैं यार कितना बता दूँगी मैं। माई मेकअप इज़ डन। बालों का मैं कुछ करने ही वाली। इट्स जस्ट गोइंग टू बी दिस, लाइक वेरी बेसिक, क्योंकि अभी जाके कटवाने ही हैं। बहुत बढ़ गए हैं। लाइक लॉन्ग हेयर एनीमोर। लाइक आई लाइक लॉन्ग हेयर, बट कभी कभी आई गेट टू बोर्ड ऑफ इट। लेट्स गो। क्या टाइम हुआ है पता नहीं। 1 बजे का मैंने टारगेट लिया था निकलने का। अभी ओह माय गॉड 1:18 हो गया है। आई हैव टू लीव, नो टाइम फॉर लंच। आई एम ऑल रेडी। आई जस्ट रियलाइज कि मैंने अपना माइक नहीं लगाया है। अब लास्ट क्लिप में भी मैं नहीं लगा रही हूँ। आई एम जस्ट गोना बी, आई जस्ट, कहाँ जा रहा है भाई? इधर आ जाना, मत आ। ऐसी बात कर लेती हूँ, ये तो नहीं हो पा रहा है। ओके डोंट पैनिक। पूछा वे लेट, बट वो परफ्यूम नहीं लगाया। परफ्यूम लगा लेती हूँ। आई एम रेडी। बस मैं निकल रही हूँ। 10 मिनट ही लेट होंगी, सो आई थिंक वी आर गुड। स्मेल सो गुड। लेट्स गो। रुक जाना यार। लेट्स गो। आई एम रेडी, आई एम रेडी। चलते हैं। मेरी कैब वेट कर रही है नीचे।
So tell me, what do you have in mind today?
Yes, so before we actually begin, I'm very scared to get my haircut done from anywhere, because there's a couple of hairdressers I trust and I've not got it done from anywhere else. So I don't want to go very, I don't want a major change, but there is a reference. If you see this, I don't know what you call it, but I have this in mind. What do you think?
That's okay, but normally how do you keep your hair? You keep them open, you mostly
I
tie them
always keep my hair open
most of the time.
most of the time.
And even this part of the hair remains like this, like you take it behind the ear or you let them fall naturally.
I think I'm good with it. It just depends on my mood. I keep it both the
And
ways.
this is the parting that
Mostly
you
yes, this is what I do. Like I keep my hair behind, and this is
take? Okay. So how much are you willing to experiment in terms of the length and in terms of the style change?
Length, I think we can go a little shorter than this because I'm just
Little
bored
is-
of my.
Little is the amount that you're holding right now.
Yes, I think I'm good with this. What do you think?
I don't mind a little more also.
I don't want to go very short for sure.
Okay.
So we'll stick to this. In case we think we can go a little more, we might increase.
And you want
But
the
let's
hair
just-
to be very, very flowy, layered, or you like it straight? I believe flowy and layered
Yes.
and textured will look better.
Yes.
It will give more body and bounce to your hair.
There's only one thing I want to bring it is don't you make these hair look very very short, because if I make a ponytail,
You want it to go behind.
yes,
You
Yes.
want the pony to have hair which goes inside the band,
yes,
Right?
yes,
and this part of the hair flows.
yes,
So you don't want curtain bangs, and you want longer layers only, which
yes.
will go to the
I'm
back.
good with face framing, but not like very very short.
Okay.
I always think of going short, but I've never experimented. I'm
Why
not
don't we do it
sure.
today?
I'm not sure. If I don't like it, I'll start
Go
crying.
back again.
I'm going on a trip. I don't want to take a chance now. What do you think?
Okay, this is the amount of hair that you showed me is okay. We can go slightly flexible here and there. Instead of cutting the length from the bottom, we can start layering the hair from, from the shoulder and then going back to the long hair.
Cool. As long as it's looking voluminous.
You like it volume on the top?
No,
No, you don't like it.
no.
So by
I don't
volume
want a
you
lot
mean
of. I don't want a lot of
texture.
volume. Yes, I
You
think
mean the hair to
texture.
have a very free
Yes,
flow.
yes,
So
yes.
you have time to blow dry it and set it?
Yes,
You have. You do
yes,
that, right?
yes. I will do it.
Sometimes, occasionally. Or you scrunch them. Some moves.
I style my hair after every wash.
Oh, that's
This is not styled. This is my natural washed hair, but I usually style it after every
Any
wash.
plans of changing the color right now?
Not now, but surely after the trip.
Sure. When was this color done?
I'm not sure. It's been like
Was it the same
two,
shade
3
or
months.
has it changed?
No,
over
it
a
has
period of time?
changed. It has changed a lot.
It's been more than 5-6 months?
Not really. 3 months?
Okay. So you have enough time in a day to style your hair occasionally.
Yes, that's my profession, so
So you
I'm
do
into it all the
Oh,
time.
that's great. So let's do this way, where we'll have a little bit of volume, texture, and a lot of free flow. I like the density, the thickness, the amount of hair, the quality of the hair is also very good. So I think we'll get the desired result what we want. Okay?
Okay.
Let's get started.
Yes.
Did you wash it today?
No.
No problem.
Try to get a change. It starts looking nicer.
Yeah, make it a little messy.
Do you want to help?
The hair is looking nice also.
I know. That's the problem.
That's a good thing. Yeah, right. ठीक है चलेगा. Still like that. I'm taking a short clip, okay?
Okay. Tell me if you want me to move or no.
Yeah, slightly you can play with it,
Okay.
but you're not happy with your hair right now, okay? Yeah. Can you stand for me?
Yes. Just show me the last length, whatever you're doing, okay? I'm so excited.
Should we start?
Yes?
Okay.
Let's
start.
go.
I'll show you the length.
Yes.
Then. That's good enough.
No, I think that's a lot. थोड़ा कम कर दे.
This is okay. चालू.
Yes. Yes. Nice. I did ash grey once.
Yeah.
It looked really nice. That was one of the colors I loved on my skin tone. ये मैं यही मतलब बस ये ध्यान रखना कि ये जो शोल्डर लेयर्स आप काट रहे हो ना ये बहुत छोटे छोटे ना हो जाए बिकॉज द बाउंस कम्स हियर व्हिच आई डोंट लाइक.
Okay. Yeah, I'm giving everything longer only, just textured at the bottom.
Cool. I might have to crop from my vlog
I've not, let my audience know where am I going, so it's a surprise for them as well.
Do I feel like cutting it more, but I know you will not allow me. So I'm
No,
just keeping
please
myself.
don't. I will give you the opportunity for sure, but this is not the right time. If at all it goes very short or I don't like it, I just want to come back from the trip and then you can do whatever.
Can we use less of this
Yeah,
shine
this
spray?
is the
I know,
shine
it's shine spray. It makes my hair very oily. I don't like it.
This is just a shine spray.
I know it's a shine spray. Moment of truth.
First, I'll take your solo shot, okay? Okay?
Yeah. Because of the curl, it's looking very short.
Yeah, because of the curls also, no? Okay, 1 second, huh? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, wait 1 second. 1 second, hold on, please.
I love it.
थोड़ा change है. Okay, I'll take a picture. 1 second, stay like that. Stay like that. 1 second, hold. Stay like that. Hold on, please. थोड़ा सा और. Yeah. Hold. Perfect. Now it's with you. One second. I'll take one shot with you, then we'll take your photo shot standing. Okay?
Cool.
So what do you think about this?
I love it.
Nice.
I think
so
it
there's
looks
a lot of volume, texture,
Yes.
movement. Plus your hair is thick enough, so it holds the curls very well.
I love how you've styled it also.
Yeah.
Amazing, yes. I think it looks shorter because of the curl, but we're pretty good. I love it.
हाँ, अभी थोड़ा.
We're done. I love it. I swear it's not so short as it looks. It looks short because of the curl for sure. But I love it.
I'm back home. इतना थक गई हूँ मैं. I like the haircut. He's given me exactly what I needed. मैंने एक रील भी अपलोड किया है, शॉर्ट्स भी अपलोड किया है about the details of the haircut. वो देख सकते हो आप जाके. I'm so hungry. You remember I left at 1:15. उसके बाद से मैंने कुछ खाया नहीं है. I could have called for something but बाहर का मैं खा नहीं सकती हूँ. So I'm just having like थोड़ा सा दीदी ने आफ्टरनून में बनाया था. ये क्या है, दाल पालक शायद. हाँ, दाल पालक विद सम आलू की सब्ज़ी. I'm just gonna have that. It's 6:45. Oh God. बस ये रात का डिनर भी हो गया. I was so hungry. उसके बाद मैं nails कराने गई थी. Got my nails also done. See, looks so nice and cute. Vacation nails, vacation hair. अभी मेरे को stress हो रहा है because I have to finish एक brand shoot, one more content today itself because tomorrow there's an event I'm attending, so I don't have time. But it was a good day. There's a lot more to finish. The day is not over yet, but I'm happy. I like my hair. That's about it for today. आप बताना मेरा haircut कैसा लग रहा है in the comments. कल मिलती हूँ. Bye.